Hello YouTube, welcome back to Burping.
God might get nervous. A man approaches with his weapon drawn.
Indeed. Nobody saw anything.
Thought I heard you right.
Hey. Vampire! Huh. Well, they did more damage to me than I thought they would.
They say Ulfric Stormcloak murdered the High King with his voice, shouted him apart.
You mean like...
That's a shout, like the greybeards on their mountain.
We're just toying around today. And burping.
What's the magic? I need to ask you to stop. That shouting is making people nervous.
Too bad there's more where that came from.
Can't say I've heard of any laws against whatever that is you're doing, but I'll lock you up if I have to. I've got my eye on you. By the gods, what manner of power is that? Don't suppose you can enchant my sword?
Nobody saw anything. Except YouTube. You were there. You witnessed all the damn shit right there. Don't ask me what I'm going. Just know that I'm going to kill a dragon. And actually, I don't know where it is. Oh! Well, that changes things up a little bit. YouTube, you gotta give me a moment. Hello, bitch. Oops. Seriously? One hit? Pussy.
Be careful.
You've been a good... Fine. What? What? Yeah? Sure. Feel free to hand me all the gold you want.
Alright. I'll hand you some dragon bones collected from dragon boners.
Let's go.
Yep. It said return to Esbern. Where is Esbern at? Burnt corpse. That's clearly burnt. Yes. Hello, Dad. Hey, Dad, you want to see how much damage I added to my weapons? Using a cool glitch, Dad, I added 500 some damage to them, but then I added 8,000 some damage to them using an enchantment. Usually the best weapons in smithing are only about 200 max. So I'm gonna put some of my apparel on, because that really will help. Okay, so I'm at 879 some damage now with the no, it's pretty good.